In this video, I'm going to tell you about one of the amazing Hostinger coupon code which you can use to get amazing deal while buying your hosting from Hostinger. We all know that Hostinger is one of the finest hosting platform all around the world. If you can see their ratings, they got 4.6 at Trustpilot, 4.8 at Google, HostAdvice 4.5, and WP Beginner at 4.7, which says that they got amazing reviews. And best of all is that they have a 30 days money back guarantee as well. And if you see around, you can see that they have data centers all around the world. They also have all-in-one website solution. They have worked heavily to provide you with maximized website speed with their own light speed web server technology. And you can see that they have 24/7 support. They also offer free migration in case if you're coming from another hosting company. And best of all is that they have advanced security features such as SSL security certificate, DDoS attacks, prevention. So much so good. So they have ample of features available. You can see their reviews, amazing reviews, and more than 1.5 million satisfied website owners are already using Hostinger. So what you have to do, you have to click on the link in the description to get amazing deals coupons while buying hosting from Hostinger. I'm going to tell you the two one. So once you click on that link, go to hosting and then move to web hosting. Once you click on web hosting, you can see there are three plans: single web hosting, premium web hosting, business web hosting. All of the plans are optimized for WordPress, and they have 30 days money back guarantee, 24/7 support, and 99.9% uptime guarantee. And they all comes with a website builder, malware scanner, Cloudflare protected name servers. In the business plan, you are getting a daily backup. In other these two plans, you are getting weekly backups. Just do a detailed comparison on all of the three plans and see which plan is good for you. Once you go and then select the add to cart. For instance, we are going with this plan because this one is the most popular plan. Again, it all depends upon your personal preference on which one you should go with. Once you click on the add to cart, you will be redirected to another page where you are going to see the summary what you are going to buy with Hostinger. And then come over here, you can see their four plans. They have four plans: 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, and 48 months. Well, 48 months save you the most, but again it all depends on your budget and if you can afford. But again, you are getting the best deal. But I'm going to tell you two amazing coupon codes through which you can get the maximum discount. So what you have to do, you have to click on have a coupon code over here and write this coupon code. You can find in the description of this video as well, and select the apply button. You can see the current pricing and this code of other reduction, and there is another coupon code which is also mentioned in the description of this video, and just select the apply button and you can see that your price got a further discount. So use these two coupon codes while buying your hosting from Hostinger to get amazing discounts. And once again, that because I'm personally using it, which is why I recommend it as one of the finest hosting company. So I will definitely recommend you to opt with the hosting. Good luck buying your hosting with Hostinger.